Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on CoinMarketCap account. To change your name on CoinMarketCap, first of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application on your mobile device, or you may also go visit coinmarketcap.com on a web browser. Log into your account if necessary, and once you're in the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on your username at the top and then click on the edit button on the next page. This will bring you to the profile section where you can go ahead and edit your display name as well as your username. Go ahead and select either of those and type down a new name you'd like to change to. Click on Change Display Name. You can do the same for username as well. Tap the Username tab and write down a new username for your account. Remember that username can only be changed once per 7 days, so make sure to enter a correct username for yourself and click on the Change Username button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your display name as well as your username on CoinMarketCap account. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.